At present, your company sells a lot of devices to the people, but you don't know how the people use those devices. Therefore, you don't really know the people. Now, you have the opportunity to customize your product and offer related services in order to improve the relationship with the customer. Tempestive Nuboj is a cloud software created as a service solution based on Microsoft Azure, dedicated to users. Designed for Internet of Things, smart cities, smart building, after-sales services, predictive maintenance, it works worldwide on any number of devices and at an affordable cost. Let's improve your business in just 5 steps. Tempestive Nuboj. Normally, the most common steps go from collecting data to managing data and finally to producing business value. Tempestive Nuboj collects data from different types of devices. Nuboj stores massive amounts of data generated from devices for long periods of time. Nuboj analyzes the collected data to understand the behavior of the user's devices. Thanks to a multi-driver architecture, Nuboj is able to control and manage different types of devices in various industrial and business areas. Nuboj creates autonomic systems that are able to manage themselves thanks to artificial intelligence techniques in order to react to device states and environmental changes and to recognize future behavioral patterns. That's Tempestive Nuboj. Just 5 steps to call customers by name, to discover their behavior and their lifestyle, to design new services for stronger customer satisfaction and loyalty. Tempestive Nuboj. Now you can improve your business. Tempestive Nuboj is not just a product. It's a service based on a scalable cloud platform, offered in a software-as-a-service way. Tempestive Nuboj is not just a product, it's a service based on Microsoft Azure Cloud.